bold claim. A 15-year-old Belgian prodigy has earned a PhD in quantum physics and now pursues a bold, controversial aim, creating superhumans through medical research. Laurent Simons successfully defended his doctoral thesis at the University of Antwerp earlier this week, earning him one of the youngest PhDs on record. His dissertation, titled Bose-Polarons in Superfluids and Supersolids, dives into the physics of Bose-Einstein condensates, ultra-cold gases where particles behave as a single quantum entity. This platform enables researchers to explore complex phenomena such as polarons, impurities dressed by the surrounding gas, and exotic states like supersolids, which blend superfluidity with crystal-like order. Born in Belgium and now residing in the Netherlands, Laurent has long been described as a prodigy. He finished high school in roughly a year, at the age of 8 in 2018, according to Reuters. In 2019, he nearly earned a university degree before turning 10, but left Eindhoven University of Technology due to scheduling conflicts in meeting graduation timelines. He then moved to the University of Antwerp to pursue a physics bachelor's degree, graduating with distinction after just 18 months, significantly faster than the standard 3 years. By age 12, while peers typically advance through secondary school, Laurent had already completed a master's degree in quantum physics. While full-time master's programs usually span 2 years, he completed all coursework in the first semester, dedicating the second semester to his thesis and internship, per the Brussels Times. During a quantum optics internship at the Max Planck Institute in Germany, Laurent began exploring the intersection of physics and medicine. His master's research examined analogies between boson states and black holes, studying Bose-Einstein condensates at ultra-cold temperatures. After earning his master's, Simons chose to continue with doctoral work, feeling that personal limits were still within reach. In an interview with TV channel VTM, he stated, "After this, I'll start working towards my goal, creating superhumans." Reports from Newsweek and the Brussels Times note that Simons has been publicly fascinated with human immortality since he was 11, describing it as his long-term objective. An IQ of 145, classified as highly gifted on both the Wechsler and Stanford Binet scales, underscores his exceptional talents. Immediately after defending his PhD, Simons returned to Munich with his father and has already enrolled in a second doctoral program there, this time in medical science with a focus on artificial intelligence.